Cut into slices 1 cup of strawberries and put into a pan. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix it with spoon. Keep it aside for 30 to 40 minutes. After 30 minutes, strawberries will release the water. Keep it on medium to low flame and cook for 7 to 8 minutes or until get thick. Glazed or cooked strawberries are ready. Keep it aside. Put all Oreo cookies in chopper bowl and chop well. Dish out fine chopped cookies and keep it aside. Add whipped cream in beating bowl and whip for 5 minutes. Add condensed milk and whip for more 5 minutes. You will notice that your cream has a foamy texture after beating them for 5 minutes. Add chopped Oreo cookies and beat for more 3 to 4 minutes. Stop the mixer and remove the whisk hook. At the end, add cooked or glazed strawberries in mixture and mix with spatula. Pour into container and cover it with cling sheet or airtight lid. Then freeze for 10 hours. After 10 hours, you will see it looks like market ice cream. It scoops like market ice cream. It's creamy like ice baller ice cream. No crunch or crystal at all. Its flavor is really mind-blowing. Serve it with fresh strawberries and Oreo cookies. Ice cream is ready.